Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 4. Today we will do creative question number 1. Let's see today's topic from here. Our today's topic is chapter 4. Today we will do creative question number 1 of this chapter, and this is lecture number 12, and our HW number is 11 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. You can say I have written creative question and answer here, and here is creative question number 1. And look at this, here is a stem and the question is A number, what is pleura? What is pleura? And B number question, pneumonia is a fatal disease, explain. C number, explain the process shown in the diagram. And D number, analyze the remedies of the problem created when F substance enters into E part. Look at this stem, here is human respiratory system, and here is oxygen entering into nostril, and this one here is carbon dioxide, and F part here is dust, and E is lung. Now A number answer. A number question was, what is pleura? Answer is, lungs are covered with two-fold membranes called pleura. B number question was, pneumonia is a fatal disease, explain. Answer is, pneumonia is a disease of the lung. Severe cold attack is responsible for this disease. After measles and bronchitis, a patient may be attacked with pneumonia if the patient catches cold severely. It is a fatal disease for children. Many children in our country die every year because of pneumonia. C number question was, explain the process shown in the diagram. Answer is, the process shown in the diagram is respiratory process in human. Respiration is divided into two types. They are external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration, the process where gaseous exchange occurs through lung, and external respiration. Through lung is external respiration. I am reading this line again. The process where gaseous exchange occurs through lungs is external respiration. In this process, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs between lung and capillary vessel. Internal respiration, oxygen that enters the blood of the lung moves with the blood to distant capillary vessels, and hence the internal respiration starts. Oxygen reaches the intercellular juice through the walls of capillary vessels. Oxygen from these oxygen carrying juice enters into the cells where they react with food and produce energy. Now D number answer. D number question was, analyze the remedies of the problem created when F, that means dust particle, dust, F is dust here, when F substance enters into E part. E is here lung. So here is the answer. If F substance enter E part, that means dust particles enters respiratory system, then asthma will occur. The cause of this disease may be some food dust in the air or pollen grains when inhaled. In children, cough and cold is the main cause of this disease. Remedies of asthma are given below. 1 number point here is the patient should live in a well ventilated and well lighted house. 2 number point here is avoiding eating foods and coming in contact with things such as woolen cloths that can intensify the disease. 3 number point, follow doctor's advice and avoid dust and smokes. Give up the habit of smoking. 4 number point, taking medicine relieves respiratory trouble but it is not cured fully. 5 number point, it is necessary for the patient to carry respiratory trouble relieving medicine with them. Students, it was our today's topic. Now I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 11 number HW, and your HW will be this creative question 1, and the number here is A and B. Your HW will be A and B. A and B number. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned HW in your HW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.